Hello friends, so here is another question on relative velocity of two objects. Okay, so here it has been given that if two bodies with constant speeds they move towards each other, then the linear distance between them it decreases by 6 kilometers every hour. Per hour it decreases by 6 kilometers. And if the bodies they move in the same direction, then the linear distance between them increases by 2 kilometers per hour. Okay, so before discussing this question, let us understand something. Okay, so let us say we have two cars, okay, starting from two points, okay, P, and we have another car here starting from point Q. Let the separation distance between P and Q is D. Let us say car P is traveling, a car starting from P is traveling with a velocity of u kilometers per hour, and car traveling from Q is traveling with a velocity of v kilometers per hour. U is greater than v, which means the velocity or speed of car P is greater than car Q starting from Q. So after 1 hour, okay, after 1 hour, car P will have traveled a distance of u kilometers, okay, here, and is here, okay, and car Q starting from Q it has traveled a distance of, let's say, v kilometers, okay. Now this is the gap between them, the separation distance. This is the gap between them after 1 hour, which is d minus u, okay, d minus u plus v, because this much has to be subtracted from this total distance, this much kilometers. So here what is happening is that in 1 hour the gap between them it has decreased by u plus v kilometers. Car P has traveled u kilometers, car Q has traveled v kilometers. Total separation has been reduced by u plus v. In the second hour it will travel more u, okay, a bit, and will travel v, and this gap it will be equal to d minus 2 u plus v. So every 1 hour it will decrease by u plus v kilometers per hour. Similarly, let us say we have two cars, okay, let's change the ink. We have two cars starting from the same point, okay, two cars starting from the same point. Let's say this is P, again Q, car P, car Q. This is traveling with a velocity of u kilometers per hour. This is traveling with a velocity of v kilometers per hour, and naturally u is greater than v. So in 1 hour it will cover a distance of u kilometers. In 1 hour it will cover a distance of u kilometers. Then second hour it will cover further more u. Like that will keep going on and on and on. Similarly, car Q it will cover a distance of v. Okay, so now this separation okay, that is equal to, this is u minus v kilometers. This is u minus v kilometers. It has travelled u, this much portion, this has travelled v. This is u, this is v. This gap is u minus v. So here, when they are travelling in the same direction, this separation distance, it will keep on increasing by u minus v kilometer every hour. This is for the first hour. In the second hour, it will become 2u minus v. Then in the third, it will become 3u minus v, and so on. So here is a very important point. Here, indirectly, it has been given information, okay, information has been provided about the relative velocity of the two objects. See, when they are moving towards each other, which means this case, the linear distance or the linear separation between the two bodies, it is decreasing by 6 kilometers per hour, which is this case. Okay, it means here the relative velocity when two objects are moving in the same direction, moving in the opposite direction, it is u minus v, which is u plus v. So this u plus v is equal to 6 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the important thing. U plus v is 6 kilometers per hour, but it has been given indirectly. And when they are moving in the same direction, as you can see, when two bodies move in the same direction, the relative velocity is given by u minus v kilometers per hour, and that is the separation distance is increasing. As you can see here, the separation distance is increasing, u minus v, then 2u minus v, then 3u minus v. That is given as 2 kilometers per hour. This is 2 kilometers per hour. Okay, so u plus v is 6, u minus v is 2. Okay, u plus v is 6, u minus v is equal to 2. So if we add them, it will become 2u is equal to 8. That implies u is equal to 4 kilometers per hour, and v is equal to 2 kilometers per hour. These are the speeds of the two objects. So this is a very good question about relative velocity, where information about relative velocity or the concept of relative velocity has come in an indirect way. Okay, directly nothing has been mentioned, but this linear separation and which is increasing or decreasing by a certain rate, that gives us the the hint that this question is based on the concept of relative velocity. Okay,